AI in BPMN. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for AI in BPMN, beginner level introduction. AI in BPMN means using artificial intelligence with BPMN, business process model and notation, to create smarter and more automated business workflows. BPMN is a standard way to design workflows using diagrams that show tasks, decisions, events, flow of processes. AI enhances BPMN by making workflows more adaptive and efficient, intelligent, dynamic, data-driven, automated. Examples include AI-based decision gateways, smart task assignment, automated document processing, predictive workflow execution, chatbot-driven workflows. This topic helps beginners understand how AI improves process modeling and automation systems. What is BPMN? BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, is a graphical way to represent business processes. It includes elements like start event tasks, decision gateways, end event. In simple words, BPMN is a visual map of how a business process works. What is AI in BPMN? AI in BPMN is the integration of AI into BPMN workflows to make decisions, automate tasks, and optimize processes. In simple words, AI in BPMN equals using AI to make workflow diagrams intelligent. A beginner view includes AI decision-making in workflows, automated task execution, intelligent routing, predictive process behavior, integration with AI services. Why AI in BPMN is important. Traditional BPMN workflows are rule-based, static, limited. AI improves BPMN by click, making workflows adaptive, automating complex decisions, improving efficiency, reducing manual work, enhancing scalability. Basic BPMN elements. Element purpose. Start event begins the process. Task represents work to be done. Gateway, decision point. Sequence flow shows flow between steps. End event ends the process. Basic areas of AI in BPMN. Area purpose, decision gateways, AI-based decision making. Task, automation, automate repetitive tasks. Routing, assign tasks intelligently. Predictive analytics, forecast outcomes, document processing, extract and process data. Chatbot integration, user interaction within workflows. Example of BPMN process data process equals order amount, 600, customer type, premium. Example of AI decision in BPMN gateway, order amount, 600. If order amount greater than 500, print approve order automatically. Else, print manual approval required. Simple AI in BPMN example, Python, task equals review order. If task equals review order, print AI analyzing order. How AI in BPMN works. Step 1, start process event equals order created. Step 2, execute task, print processing order. Step 3, AI decision gateway, amount equals 400. If amount X is more than 300, decision equals approve, else decision equals review. Print decision. Step 4, route process flow if decision equals approve, print order approved. Step 5, end process, print process completed. AI and decision gateways. Gateways use AI for decisions. Risk score equals 0.2. If risk score less than 0.5, print low risk, proceed. AI and task automation. AI executes tasks automatically. Task equals send email. If task equals send email, print email sent automatically. AI and smart routing. AI assigns tasks dynamically. Priority equals high. If priority equals high, print assign to senior team. AI in predictive workflow. AI predicts outcomes. Delay probability equals 0.6. If delay probability equals 0.5, print risk of delay. AI in document processing. AI extracts data within workflows. Invoice equals 200. If invoice equals 150, print process invoice. Full menu-based AI in BPMN example. Def process order. Amount equals int. Input enter order amount. Is amount equals 500. Print auto-approved. Else, print manual review required. Def route task. Priority equals input. Enter priority. If priority equals high, print assigned to senior team. Else print assigned to normal team. Def predict delay. Risk equals float input. Enter delay risk 0 to 1. If risk is 0.5, print high delay risk. Else, print low delay risk. While true, print N1 process order. Print 2 route task. Print 3 predict delay. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, process order. If choice equals 2, route task. If choice equals 3, predict delay. If choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from AI in BPMN. Workflow modeling, BPMN fundamentals, decision gateways, process automation, AI integration, and real-world business processes. Real-life analogy. AI in BPMN is like a smart flowchart manager. It can follow process steps, make decisions, route tasks, complete workflows automatically. Ways to improve an AI in BPMN project. Integrate machine learning models. Use REST APIs for AI services. Add real-time monitoring. Implement process mining. Connect with databases. Build dashboards. Use event-driven systems. Improve decision. Models, common mistakes beginners make. Not treating BPMN as static diagrams. Not using AI for decisions. Overcomplicating workflows. Ignoring data integration. Not handling exceptions. Where AI in BPMN is used. Enterprise systems, banking workflows, insurance processing, e-commerce platforms, healthcare systems, logistics companies, government systems, IT operations. Large systems may include workflow engines, decision engines, AI services, process automation tools. Simple definition. AI in BPMN. The use of artificial intelligence to enhance and automate BPMN workflows. Final summary. AI in BPMN helps businesses create smart, automated, and adaptive workflows. It enables intelligent decision-making, automated processes, dynamic workflows, improved efficiency, scalable systems. By learning this topic, beginners understand how AI integrates with process modeling and enterprise systems.